Bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen. You are black, love, and confident too, kinda quintessential, and you love in you, baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you see, I have the blue hair paint wax in my hair. This video, I'm just going to be showing y'all how I am washing out this hair paint wax using the Tgin product. So as you see, my hair is actually washing out with just water. So you don't really need any shampoo to just take the hair paint wax out of your hair. It just takes only water to rinse it out. But to ensure that my hair is clean, I am going to be washing it. This is my hair with all of the blue hair paint wax washed out. As you see, there's nothing left of my hair. So I am going to be starting off with using the Tgin Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo with black honey, coconut oil in it. And I love this shampoo because it is very restorative and it helps reduce your breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs your damaged hair. This shampoo lathers up really good, and it actually has a lot of slip in it, so I could detangle my hair with this shampoo if I wanted. But it actually, with a lot of slip in it, it actually makes my hair a little more easier to wash. It doesn't feel very dry. So after I applied all the shampoo on, I am rinsing it out, and I did not show this clip, but I actually washed it out 2 times just to make sure that I had no color left in my hair. After rinsing it out, my hair feels very soft. So next, I am going to be applying the Tgin Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. And this hair mask is like so amazing, y'all. It has a whole lot of slip in it. And I know I say this a lot, but I just love a hair product with a lot of slip in it because I just don't like that dry feeling. But anyway, so I'm just sliding my hair through and I'm just detangling my hair as I go. I am using my easy detangler brush to make sure that I have no tangles in my hair and that all of the products are actually setting in. So after I put the deep conditioner in, I am just clipping my hair up, and I'm actually going to be deep conditioning my hair for 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes is up, I am taking my head cap off, and I'm just going to be rinsing my hair off with cold water, y'all. Now just imagine me and how I'm actually feeling up under this shower, y'all. But anyways, I'm next going to be using the Tgin Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. So with this leave-in conditioner, it also has a lot of slip and it feels very soft. I love the shine that it's actually bringing into my hair. And really, this is the last step that I'm going to be showing you guys. Stay tuned for part 2, as I will be doing a styling video, so I will put that up tomorrow. So just stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Click the notification bell, all the above. But anyway, this is how my hair is actually looking, and as you see in slow-mo, it looks very soft. So now I'm about to style my hair using a great product. So just stay tuned.